Why spend hundreds of dollars on software when you can get the same features for free? Today, I'm going to show you the best free alternatives to expensive software so you can keep your wallet happy and your productivity sky high. Let's get started. Adobe Photoshop, alternative to Photopea and Canva. Photoshop? More like pay to shop. Adobe Photoshop charges you a subscription just to edit a single image? Nah. Enter Photopea, a free, web-based Photoshop alternative that looks and works just like the real thing. No downloads, no subscriptions, just straight up editing. Want something even easier? Canva is the go-to for quick designs, YouTube thumbnails, and social media posts. It's like Photoshop, but for people who don't want to suffer. Adobe Premiere Pro, alternative to DaVinci Resolve and CapCut. Premiere Pro crashes so much, I thought it was a driving simulator. Why pay for editing when DaVinci Resolve gives you Hollywood-level color grading for free? And if you're just starting out, CapCut is an easy, drag-and-drop editor perfect for quick YouTube videos. Money saved, $20 plus per month. Storage saved, your patience. Microsoft Office, alternative to LibreOffice and OnlyOffice. Microsoft Office, that'll be $70 a year just to type an essay. Skip that nonsense. LibreOffice is a full-featured office suite that does everything Word, Excel, and PowerPoint can do, but for $0. If you want something more modern looking, OnlyOffice is sleek and works great for teamwork. Plus, you don't need an online subscription like Google Docs. Steam, alternative to Epic Games for free weekly games. You know what's better than buying games? Getting them for free. Steam is great, but Epic Games hands out free paid games every single week. Some of them are actually good, too, not just weird simulator games. Last year, they gave away GTA 5, Control, and even Alan Wake. Meanwhile, Steam is like, here's a 10% discount on a 12-year-old game. Adobe Lightroom, alternative to Darktable. Lightroom is fantastic until you realize it costs you a kidney every month. Try Darktable, a completely free photo editing tool that does raw processing just as well as Lightroom. Same sliders, same tools, zero subscriptions. Your photos? Edited. Your wallet? Unbothered. FL Studio, alternative to Audacity. You want to make beats, but FL Studio is asking for $200? Let me introduce you to Audacity. It's a free and powerful audio editor, perfect for recording, editing, and even making simple beats if you get creative. It might not have all the fancy plugins, but hey, free music production is better than no music production. Adobe Illustrator, alternative to Inkscape and GIMP. Illustrator is a beast, but so is that price tag. Instead, Inkscape is a fantastic open source alternative for vector graphics. And if you need Photoshop style editing alongside it, GIMP does the job for free. Illustrator users be like, but it's not the same. Me? Okay, keep paying $20 a month then. Paid antivirus, alternative to Microsoft Defender. Paid antivirus in 2025? You might be getting scammed harder than the viruses themselves. Windows already has a built-in antivirus, and it's surprisingly good, Microsoft Defender. No annoying pop-ups, no urgent renewal messages, just quiet, effective protection. Money saved, $40 plus per year. Stress level, 0. Paid screen recorders, alternative to ShareX. You want to record your screen, and the software hits you with a pay $50 to remove watermark message? Nope. ShareX is a free, open-source screen recorder that does everything without locking features behind a paywall. Bonus, it can capture GIFs, scroll screenshots, and even OCR text from images. Try that with a paid recorder. WinRAR, alternative to 7-Zip. WinRAR, your free trial has expired. 7-Zip is an open-source alternative that does everything WinRAR does without that infamous pop-up guilt tripping you. Pro tip, nobody has ever paid for WinRAR. Be part of history. AutoCAD, alternative to FreeCAD. AutoCAD's price tag is so high, even engineers cry. Luckily, FreeCAD exists. It's an open-source 3D modeling tool that's perfect for architects, engineers, and anyone who doesn't want to sell a kidney for CAD software. AutoCAD cost $1,600 per year. FreeCAD cost $0. Which one sounds better? Windows Media Player, alternative to VLC Media Player. Windows Media Player stopped working. Me, why am I not surprised? VLC Media Player plays everything. No codec errors, no crashes, just smooth, reliable playback. Bonus points, it even plays broken video files. Yeah, it's a miracle worker. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to replace expensive software without spending a dime. Which free alternative do you use the most? Drop it in the comments. Also, if this video saved you some money, don't forget to subscribe. It's free too.